I just received the 6-ounce stainless steel scoop, and this is one piece, and the shape is very smooth. And here the handle is actually welded onto the scoop, so it's pretty comfortable when you're using it. I use it on the garden, so it's very convenient to scoop everything like soil if you do the gardening. It got many uses in the house, so you can use it on food, on garden, whatever stuff you want to take it out. And it's very comfortable. The quality is very good. You see that even though I press it, it's pretty stiff. And one thing I need to mention that on the edge, it seems like a little bit burr on it. So when you're using it, try to use a sander to make the surface smooth. The most of the surface is good, but for some part of it, probably just kind of, if you don't careful, maybe cut your finger. Overall, the quality is pretty good and got lots of uses. It got good size and it is very comfortable to get the stuff out of the pocket. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.